Hello everybody, this is DDK and DDK Kitchens, Diva Dish Kitchens. This is Jana Llanos, the fabulous, one-of-a-kind Diva Chef. Today you are looking at veal sliced up thin, and you're also looking at sweet bell peppers, red, yellow, and orange. And you're looking at onions all sauteed in one pan. Now they have some seasonings on them, as you can see. They have garlic on them. This garlic right here, about a half a teaspoon. They have basil on them, half a teaspoon of that. Half a teaspoon of oregano. A half a teaspoon of basil and a half a teaspoon onion powder. Okay, that's all in here on top of the sweet bell peppers and the thin sliced veal that I got from Kowalski's market and meat market, and they customized it for me, and it's absolutely delicious and so tender. So that's sauteed in this pan. Now we're going to go back to this pan back here. We have a full pot of angel hair pasta. Yum. Now that has a half a stick of butter in it, melted in it, with a quarter cup of olive oil. Okay, doesn't have to be Bertolli, but I use the regular golden olive oil, not the extra virgin. That's just too strong for these type of dishes. So it's got a half a stick of butter, quarter cup of olive oil, a tablespoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of kosher salt in there, and you mix it all up. Okay, this here is my sauce base. Okay, now I put a layer on the bottom for a reason, because that way when you put the pasta, because you're going to be laying all these particular ingredients, that, and that, so that goes on the top of this, all right? Then this will go on the top of that, and then you repeat. Rinse and repeat. I love those type of recipes. Rinse and repeat. Anyone can do it. Even your child could probably help you do it if he or she's at least 5 or 6 years old. And careful with the stove, obviously. But you can do it. Your children can do it and help you. You can cook as a family. This is a very family-oriented meal because it's made for manja, which means everybody eat together. Okay, manja, manja, manja. Eat, eat, eat until you're full. And here's the extra sauce, okay, that I mixed in 1 can of diced tomatoes that had the oregano and garlic and onion already in with the diced tomatoes in a can, okay? I dumped that in there, sauce and all, because it has kind of a tomatoey sauce to it, and I put that right in as well. I used Classico, again, my famous go-to sauce. That's a jar sauce, but it's very, very good quality, no artificial anything. It's completely pure. It's one of the best sauces out there. So I used a Classico spicy tomato base for this sauce, along with some Kowalski's Parmesan cheese and some more garlic, about another half, I say probably a teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of basil, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of onion powder. Mix that all together. Put 2 tablespoons of Riunite wine in here, a teaspoon of pure cane sugar, which looks like this. Okay, this is just the container I put in, but it's pure cane sugar. It's white sugar, it's pure cane sugar. That's the color of real sugar, which is better for you. Mix that all up together, and that's my sauce for this delicious veal, my way of doing veal parmesan, okay? And I'm gonna, of course, put some extra cheese on all this, okay, as I layer it. And there'll be grated cheese, all right? But it also will be some mozzarella, alternating on the layers. And this is a white cheddar. I'm going to grate this and alternate that as well. This is going to be a rich dish because it is rich. I mean, you can't get away from that. When you're doing veal, veal is a very mild meat, and it's a very high quality meat. And it has, because it has a mild taste, you can boost it with seasonings, with oils, with sauces. You can do this with an Alfredo sauce as well and do it the same way, rinse and repeat. And it's interchangeable. But I happen to like red sauce better for me. And it has less calories than my Alfredo sauce does. So, I want you to try this. This is so easy. And you don't have to bake it because all this here is already cooked, okay? So, all you're going to do is layer it like I said. You got this one layer of sauce in the bottom. You're going to put a layer of pasta. You're going to sprinkle some of this over the pasta. You're going to put some more sauce over the pasta, and you're going to repeat, okay? Repeat. You got it, guys? It's easy. You can do it. I have faith in you. This is the Diva. I'm going to finish my dish because this is for our dinner tonight with my wonderful boyfriend's family and their children. So there's going to be a lot of people mangiing on this. I hope you have a wonderful day. Hope you have a fantastic day, actually, of great food, friends, magic, my magic books, my recipe books. I do it all. I hope you enjoy this video, and we'll talk soon. Ciao, babies.